Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert Apple numbers to an Excel document. So once you have the thing that you want to convert, you want to go to File and press Export to Excel. Here you can put in some additional information. Click Next. Just going to save it to my desktop. Export. And I always see that on my desktop at the top right hand side. And then after that, you want to open up Excel. And if you're on the home page, you'll see this option here, upload a file. Click on that. You'll see the example one I just made. Press open. And that will open that in Excel for us. So gives us some information. If you go down to the bottom of the screen, you'll see sheet one, room booking prices. And all of the information is in Excel for us. I hope this video helped. Speak to you guys soon.